friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. This is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. And in today's video, I am sharing with you what I received for a Disney themed swap. And I received the package from My BC Life, and I am going to put the information around here and also in the description box below so you can check her out. This was a swap hosted by Paper Ventures in Instagram, and I'm gonna flip my camera so you can watch what I received from My BC Life one. I am here with the package, the Disney swap hosted by Paper Ventures, and my swapping partner is My BC Life one. I am going to leave the link of her Instagram handle in the description box below. And I just opened this up, but I haven't taken a look. And look at this yumminess. Oh my goodness, she got me a gorgeous card. Oh, and look at this kitty. It's a velvety kitty. Ooh. And this is I love this packaging. So let me digest right now. Okay. Oh, look at this crinkle. I don't have this crinkle color, so let me try to save everything here. And I am going to place this box to my left side, and got these. I don't know where to start, so let me come closer so we can have a better picture of everything. So okay, so let me okay, let's start with the smaller packages first. And these are the pins that we were required to give to our swapping partners, and she gave me this gorgeous Cinderella. Oh, how cute, the little mice. Oh, gorgeous. And I love her packaging. Cute. Oh, and look at this mini like bag. I know I have seen some people having this die. I don't have this die, I don't own it, but I just love the way she packaged everything. And let's take a look at what is inside here. Let me cut it out. I don't want to make this video too long. And she is gave me, ooh, how now? Oh, she gave me some die cuts. Oh, how gorgeous. Mickey ears. Oh my goodness, Mickey ears glitter. Oh, I love these. The Mickey, oh, you guys have to see this. This is just, I don't have these dies, and I just love it. Oh, look at these. These are like the Mickey ear glasses. How cute. And she did all the paper piecing. Mini ears and Mickey ears. Oh, how gorgeous. Thank you so much. I just love these die cuts. Cool. And more Mickey ears. Love it. And these are, ooh, okay, so 1 2 3 4, and just gonna put it inside so I don't lose anything for the pictures. And bottom, what is this? Never seen this before. Oh, how cute. Look at Mickey Mouse. Oh, I'm so sorry. You know, I just get too emotional and giddy sometimes. Oh, look at this Mickey Mouse. Love it. And the hearts. Oh, how gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. And the other, these are Mickey ears, so you can see. And oh, look at these Minnie and Mickey ears. How gorgeous. Again, the glasses. Oh, this is so, the glove and the ears. And I love these. How cute. Very nice. Yeah, I'm planning to go to Disney World probably October, November. Not sure, but that's what we're planning, so I'm just looking forward for that. Now, she also gave me this gorgeous eraser. I love her packaging. And oh, and she gave me the die cut. Thanks so much. I love it, love it, love it. And oh, I love these. A dream is a wish your heart makes. Oh, and these are sheets. Oh, I love these. Let me see what this all about. Oh, I don't want to destroy this topper, which is so beautiful. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut it like that, so I can take also the pictures. And these are gorgeous little sheets. Love it, love it, love it. That and that. And look at these. I love the hard doily and these die cuts paper. And what is in here? Oh, see, she gave me the Cinderella stamp. How cute. Oh, thank you, thank you. So gorgeous. And oh, she also gave me a Starbucks gift card. Oh, thank you. And I love these die cuts, and I'm like, I don't want to damage anything. You know me, I like to just save everything, all the packaging, and reuse it. Be kind of like eco-friendly. And let me see. Yeah, I don't want to damage anything. All right, so in this girl, oh, I don't want to damage her. Okay, so here it is. So cute. What's in here? Oh, how nice. Oh, socks. Oh, Cinderella. How neat. Love it. Ariel and Belle. How cute. Thank you. Oh, okay. Now this other one, I love this baggie too, and I love all the die cuts. Let's see what we got here. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness, that's her tag flip. How cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, I love it. And this is so cute. I love the trim and washi, some flares, a rosette. I love the die cuts here. See, we got die cuts. Yeah, how cute. And Minnie, so cute. Another mini tag. Popcorn. Main Street. And I love this shaker tags and with Cinderella. Let's do it. I love this girl. Oh, how cute. So beautiful. Fun. This magic. and sequins mix and imagination. Me and the mouse. Love it, love it, love it. So gorgeous. Thank you very much for this tag plate. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And she also sent me some Creole jambalaya mix. Ooh, thank you. I love jambalaya. And I don't want, of course, I don't want to damage the tool because I'm going to reuse it. Oh, look at this. How cute. Shoe shop, a Cinderella mug. How beautiful. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Everything is just so beautiful. Thanks very much, my BC Life One. And I am going to put her Instagram information in the description box below. And thanks very much. I just love it, love everything. And of course, I have to open this. I know I don't want to damage the kitty. The kitty is just so gorgeous. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up. Share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks so much for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.